Question number 4. On a number line, points A, B, C such that distance of AC equal to 10, distance of CB equal to 8, and distance of AB question mark. Considering all possibilities, एक मिनट, question distance of AB equal to distance of find distance AB on a number line, find distance AB. Distance of AB equal to question mark, considering all possibilities. On a number line, points ABC are such that distance of AC equal to 10, distance of CB equal to 8. Find distance of AB considering all possibilities. Okay, here point A, B, C are collinear, means case 1, A dash, B dash, C. Point on a number line, point A, B, C such that we can write point A, B, C such that point A, B, C such that A dash, B dash, C. Okay, इसका मीनिंग है कि पॉइंट B इज बिटवीन द पॉइंट A एंड C. A, B, C are collinear और पॉइंट B is between the point A and C. Then by using our formula AB plus BC equal to AC. Then write down here AB plus BC equal to AC and put the values of BC and AC and find the values of AB. Means distance of AB plus distance of BC equal to distance of AC. What is the distance of AB? Distance of AB find करना है, वो as it is रहेगा. Plus distance of BC is 8 and distance of AC is 10. Then find distance of AB equal to 10 minus 8 equal to 2. Then distance of AB equal to 2 units. This is the case 1 or possibility 1. Therefore case 2. In case 2, point ABC such that एक बार B को बीच में लेना है, एक बार A को बीच में लेना है और एक बार C को बीच में लेना है. Means we can say that B dash A dash C. Here point B is between point A and C. Then point A is between point B and C. Then write down our formula. Distance BA or distance AB plus distance AC equal to distance BC. Again put the values of AB, AC, BC. AB, distance of AB find करना है, that is as it is. Distance of AC is 10 equal to distance of BC is 8. Again find distance of AB. इसको यही रहने दो और ये उधर लेके जाओ. मीन्स 8 ऐसे रहेगा, वो उधर जाके माइनस हो जाएगा. एंड देन डिस्टेंस AB इक्वल टू 8 minus 10, that is minus 2. Minus, distance cannot be negative, so we can't take distance AB because this is the negative answer. Okay, so distance AB equal to minus 2 units. Again case 3. यहाँ पर B बीच में लिया, यहाँ पर A लिया, अब लेंगे C. मीन्स A dash C dash B. Again by using formula means distance AC plus distance BC equal to distance AB. Distance AC equal to 10 plus distance BC equal to 8 equal to distance AB as it is. And 10 plus 8 is 18 equal to distance AB. Change the side. Distance AB equal to 18 units. Therefore there are, considering all possibilities, there were 3 possibilities. एक बार बीच में B लेना है, A, B, C are collinear means B is the between point A and C. एक बार बीच में A लेना है means point A between the point B and C. और last time में C लेना है, that is point C is between the point A and B. And find the all answers, that is the possibilities. There are 3 possibilities. Okay. Again, in case 2, answer is negative. So distance AB is equal to minus 2 unit. Okay, so therefore distance of AB, यहाँ पर negative distance नहीं रहता. Okay, तो ये possibility नहीं है. मीन्स यहाँ पर BAC यहाँ पर पॉइंट ए इज़ नॉट बिटवीन पॉइंट बी एंड सी. ओके, बिकॉज यहाँ पर क्या है, डिस्टेंस ऑफ ए बी इक्वल टू -2 एंड डिस्टेंस कैनॉट बी नेगेटिव. सो देयरफॉर वी कैन राइट point A is not between B and C. So right here, यहाँ पर लिखना है distance cannot be negative, distance cannot be negative. Don't write, okay, distance cannot be negative. Therefore, point, which point? A point. Point A is not between point B and C. Okay, and again distance of AB is equal to 18 units. This is the positive answer. So we can say that point C is between point A and B. Here we can say that point B is between point A and C, but in this case too, answer is negative, distance is negative. Distance cannot be negative, therefore point A is not between the point B and C. Question number 4. Question number 5 are reduced. Then question number 6, sketch proper figure and write the answers. Proper figure means A dash, B dash, C. Here collinear means right here sketch the diagram and here point A and B and C. Then what is the distance of length of distance of AC? That is the length. Distance means length, and length AC is 11, BC is 6.5 and length of AB. Find length of AB. Again A dash, B dash, C. A dash, B dash, C means point B is between point A and C. Then write down our formula, means here length. So we can take length AB plus length BC equal to length AC. Here length AB plus BC equal to AC. Put the values. Length of AB find करना है, plus length of BC is 6.5 and length of AC is 11. Then find the value of length of AB equal to, यहाँ पर ये plus 6.5 है, उधर जाके वो माइनस हो जाएगा. 11 minus 6.5 and 11 minus 6.5 is 4.5. Means here length of AB, therefore length of AB equal to 4.5. Third problem, second you can solve. Third problem, x dash y dash z. Solution, diagram, sketch proper figure. This is the proper figure. Here sketch x, y, z. xz is 3 root 7, means here 3 root 7. xy is root 7 and yz find करना है. Okay, means x dash y dash z. Write our formula, length xy plus length yz equal to length xz. xy plus yz equal to xz. Then put the values. xy is root 7, yz find करना है. So as it is equal to xz 3 root 7. yz को यहाँ पर रहने दो, बाकी वो साइड लेके जाओ. मीन्स 3 root 7 एज इट इज़, और ये उधर जाके माइनस रूट हो जाएगा. लेंथ ऑफ yz equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2 root 7, and this is the proper figure. Problem number 7. When 3 points are not collinear, then question is that which figure is formed by 3 non-collinear points. Means 3 points जो नॉन कोलिनियर नहीं है. कोलिनियर रहेंगे मीन्स एक ही लाइन पे रहेंगे, मगर अगर ये नॉन कोलिनियर है 3 पॉइंट्स तो एक इधर एक इधर एक उधर रहेगा. देन ड्रॉ द डायग्राम. मीन्स व्हेन 3 पॉइंट्स आर नॉन कोलिनियर देन डायग्राम कौन सा फॉर्म हो रहा है यहाँ पर, ट्राइंगल इज फॉर्म. सो राइट हियर व्हेन 3 पॉइंट्स, इसको ए, इसको बी, इसको सी, व्हेन 3 पॉइंट्स आर not collinear, then triangle is formed. So here your exercise is completed. Okay.